Senator Francis Tolentino announces he is leaving his post as the chairperson of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Tolentino says his decision to resign is in fulfillment of his commitment to head the panel for only 1.5 years. The senator says he is honoring a prior agreement, adding that this resignation is rooted in a belief that public office demands fidelity to pledges that were made.
Ang pagtupad sa kasunduan ay nakabatay sa aking malalim na paniniwala na ang pangako na maglingkod na maikling panahon ay isang sagradong tungkulin sa paglilingkod sa bayan na dapat tuparin.
Both Senators Tolentino and Alan Peter Cayetano previously vied for the chairmanship of the committee. Tolentino started to head the panel in 2022. No official reports have been made yet as to who will take the vacant post.